Yo, this is LocksFans.com. Who are you?
I am Dion Shaquille Burton.
Shaquille?
Yes, sir.
What's that all about?
Yeah, it's a long story about how I got the Dion and the Shaquille part, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because now you're making me think of Deion Sanders, and I don't...
Exactly. What happened was my auntie, my late great auntie, God bless her dead, her name was Shirley Payne, and her favorite football player was Deion Sanders. And my other auntie, her favorite basketball player was Shaquille O'Neal. So it's like I got the Shaquille part from Shaq and the the Dion part from Deion Sanders.
So you just basically a guaranteed success. That's pretty much what it boils down to.
Whether it's football or not, yeah.
Yeah, you just gonna make it. You know,
Somehow, yeah.
Like Dion gonna make it.
Right.
Like, okay, got you. All right, man. So where you from?
I'm from Miami, Florida.
All right, and what made you fall in love with sports?
Man, I believe it was my uncle that made me fall in love with sports. Man, like growing up, I used to watch the Dolphins and and the Heat play. You get what I'm saying? Watching the video game, and it was always sports. None of that Call of Duty stuff and all of that. So everything I was surrounded around was like, either sports and music. You get what I'm saying? And like, man, going outside playing ball with my friends, I'm like, man, I gotta do something. Then I started seeing like my uncle friends make it to the league and play college ball, and I'm like, I want to do that. You get what I'm saying? And I, started playing around on the block, showing out, the big boy on the block, acting like he a skinny guy running all over the place. And man, it just shot from there. Since like the age of, I say maybe 4 or 5, man. Then sports, no matter what it is, soccer, any type of I'm telling you, baseball, got baseball trophies at home, everything, man. I love sports, man. When sports come on, everybody gotta be quiet. Quiet. I like quiet.
So if you had to get rid of all the sports in the world except one, what's staying?
Football.
Oh, that was quick. You don't know thought about it all, huh?
Ain't no second, not even a half a second to think. Not even a millisecond. It's football all day.
All day.
All day.
So would you say your favorite player is all day? Or who would you say your favorite player is?
I have a favorite player for every position.
For every position?
Yeah, but if I had to name something right off the spot right now, that's somebody that's in the league, I would say Cam Wake for the DN for Miami Dolphins. Yeah.
You a Dolphin fan, huh?
Of course. But I have players that I have my favorite players that's outside of the Dolphins.
Like RG3, right?
RG3 is my backup quarterback. My fantasy league.
Oh.
Yeah, but yeah, man.
So you're that fantasy league guy.
I'm involved in fantasy league, if that's what you're saying, for the past 2-3 years. You get what I'm saying? If that's what you are saying, but yeah, I enjoy fantasy league, man.
All right. So do you feel like, in some aspects, fantasy is taking the place of real sports?
No.
I'm glad you said that.
No, I believe people who may feel like that are probably the people that never got actually a chance to play sports, but are very in love with sports. So they probably.
It's a different perspective.
Right.
Gotcha.
They want to own their own team. They want to show everybody, if I was a GM, this how it be ran, basically.
All right, then, man. Appreciate your time. Thank you, sir.
Oh, man. Thank you, man. No problem.
Be easy. LocksFans.com.
Yes, sir.
What happened? The big body?